So, wanted to give you an update on the storm. So, I'm on the East Coast and we had that really bad ice storm, and now we've got this bad snowstorm. And as you can see, the power's out. Now, wait a second here. You know that I've got a ton of batteries and a ton of solar panels, and everything's lit up. Well, that's for the house. Let me show you what's going on with the shop, because it has been so cold trying to keep this shop warm is zapping all my power. So as you can see, my lead time batteries are down to 49 volts. They're just about gone. I have 24 volt batteries in series parallel, which gives me 1200 amp hours at 48 volts. And yeah, they're just about tapped. And if you look at my Solus and my LG batteries, this just gave out. So I'm going to switch this back over. Once again, 49.8 volts. So I'm just not able to keep up with this cold. So essentially, it's been getting down to around 15 degrees, and it's just drawing too much, trying to keep everything warm. So what I've been trying to do in the shop is essentially keep it at a minimum of 35 degrees at nighttime. And we're trying to do so, it just uses a massive amount of power trying to keep everything warm. Now, I didn't have enough power for heat today, which is why I was using my propane heater to try to supplement, but it's not enough. So I do have more batteries that are on the way, and I'm going to beef up the battery bank, and I've got some old solar panels that I'm going to be connecting as well to try to increase the output. That's more of a spring project, but once again, it's not enough. So I'm going to show you what it's like outside, and I'm going to show you some of the damage from the last ice storm. So here's what happened with the last ice storm. This was a fairly decent light-duty carport, and it completely ripped the frame out of the ground and mangled it. Some of these poles were just completely snapped in half. Even the top, the main supports, were just completely destroyed. So I'll probably have to figure out something to cover things up. But yeah, that's the results of the last ice storm that we had a week ago. And then here's all my panels. So one's for the house at least. So yeah, I have to dig those out tomorrow. But yeah, that's a quick update on the storm and how we fared. So hopefully the snow will stop soon and it will melt sometime this week. Thanks again for watching Mike's Solar Garage.